Indian markets are in a range and the volatility continues within the range between 8,500 and 9,500. Indian markets, we believe, will continue to hover around. While there is no compelling reason for the market to fall below 8,500 levels, considering the fact that there is significant liquidity in the global markets and even domestic market. On the other hand, there is no reason also for the market to really break that 9,500 level. We have to wait for a vaccine to come and the economy to come out of the lockdown, at least reasonable amount of the economic activities to begin before we can see any breakout from the current levels. Thus, for the investor, it is important to stay focused and also only consider long-term potentials. There are many opportunities emerging for the investors in sectors where they can start picking up stocks for 1 year plus hold. We can talk about technology, we can talk about consumer staples, we can talk about telecom and some of the pharma names as well. Technology presents an excellent opportunity. Would suggest investors look at HCL Tech. It's a differentiated company with an excellent long-term strategy. They are focused on yielded the results. However, in the long run, that can definitely take the company to a different level. The quarterly performance announced recently was also good. At current level, HCL Tech can be bought. On the consumer staple side, I would recommend that investor can stick to the tried and tested HUL. The rural green shoots are definitely there, and companies with deep rural network and penetration like HUL will benefit over a period of time. The expectation of monsoon is also good, and that should help rural India further. On the pharma side, recommendation would be to look at companies which have a strong India leg. While US is critical, but Indian pharma market is growing at a CAGR of 15% plus, and companies like Torrent Pharma, companies like Ipca Lab can be looked at current levels. Telecom is emerging as an opportunity and a sector which has not been affected by the lockdown. In fact, it has benefited out of the lockdown, and with excitement around the global giants looking at acquiring shareholding in Indian telecom companies, both Airtel, Bharti Airtel as well as Vodafone looks interesting. However, this is an area which only not risk-averse investors should come in. If you are an investor with a risk appetite, then you can look at buying into Vodafone and Bharti Airtel.